Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and within this video I'm going to talk about how to cook chicken tenders in a pellet grill. So the first thing you're going to want to do, and I recommend marinating overnight, marinate your chicken tenders in a tightly covered dish in the refrigerator overnight. That's going to help with even better flavor. Then what I recommend is doing the pellet grill around 225 or 250. You can do a higher temp, but that's just a very quick cook. If you do 225 or 250, then you're going to get more of a smoky flavor instead of just grilled. Now keep in mind, even though you smoke them, you can we're going to stick our probe in here. Even though you smoke them, you can turn up the heat towards the end to give them a little bit more texture, but you still got the smoke flavor. So just a quick tip. And I'm going to use my meat probe. The desired degree of doneness for these will be 165 Fahrenheit internal. So I'm going to monitor the cooking temp with my Z-grill. We're just going to put our tenders on here. Again, these have been marinating overnight in the refrigerator. So they're going to have an excellent flavor profile, and the pellet grill is going to give it that good wood smoke flavor, especially since I'm doing low and slow at 225 instead of a higher heat. And I recommend that. Like I said, you can turn up the heat before you take them off the pellet grill, but I would definitely take the extra time and cook them at 225 Fahrenheit. Got our tenders in here. I'm just rubbing this around. Don't want to let that good marinade go to waste. Gonna put that extra marinade on these. Oh yeah, flavor. Now I'm going to stick the probe in one of the tenders. I'll just get one of the larger tenders and stick it in. So now I got a probe in the tender, and I can set my desired degree of doneness to 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle of the chicken tender. 165, and it's 57 degrees now because they just came out of the refrigerator. So I'm going to let these go at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to come back and you are going to, oh, just wait. So as you can see here within the Z-Grills app, the chicken just hit 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I'm going to bring the camera closer so you can see what it looks like here. Perfectly cooked chicken, low and slow at 225 degrees. So we're really going to have that smoke, but I didn't accelerate it. I mean, you can cook it at a higher temp and not cook as long, but if you do that, you're sacrificing the smoke. Whereas with this, you're getting more smokiness to your chicken. So look at that right there, perfect coloration. I mean, perfectly cooked, 165 degrees internal. I'm going to cut into it here in the kitchen so you can see it up close and see what it looks like. Look at that coloration. Let's go ahead and cut into it here. Perfect consistency, good by itself or good on a salad. Oh man, so good. That is how to cook delicious chicken on a pellet grill. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.